Very pleased to be here. We're here as VLS, as you can see. VLS, we are celebrating our 10th anniversary this year, and we see VLS as an integral part of the automotive aftermarket. So being at Automechanical is something we needed to do. Many of our customers are here, end users are here. So making sure that the oil standards in the UK are as high as possible, that's our objective. And as I said, here to celebrate our 10th anniversary. We saw a challenge originally when trading standards were unable to actually help the consumer and help the customers on some of the sales and marketing claims that were being made. And that's when trading standards came to us and said, you're the oil industry, you're the UK Lubricants Association, is there nothing you can do to help? So hence VLS was created. And in fact, the whole thing is closed loop effectively now. We work back with trading standards, and if we bring in all our technicians anonymously to investigate any claims, and at the end of that process, if we're unable to resolve it with the companies that are manufacturing or making those claims, then we can always refer to trading standards again with the evidence that we have. I think 2013 was when we started to see the whole efficiency and economy drive in passenger vehicle and light commercial. We saw 1 litre engines, 3 cylinders, super high revving, 100 brake horsepower. I mean, this was amazing. But of course, it put immense pressure on the actual lubricants and the coolants, for example. So less weight, less oil, doing more. So the technology had to move fast. And of course, since then, it's just magnified. We now have FEVs where the engine will be running, the vehicle, will be running at 60 miles an hour, and the engine then needs to turn on. Stone cold, carrying a lot of battery weight, needs to react quickly, do the coolant, do the lubrication. So we're seeing a huge amount of change I have in the last 10 years. And also something we talked about is we're seeing the vehicle park aging. There's more complexity in emissions, DPFs, catalytic converters, turbochargers, all need to be looked after by the engine oil. And if you don't fit the right engine oil, then you're going to have problems with that vehicle and its reliability. This show is important to us, first of all, because we wanted to celebrate the 10th year, but we're talking to and listening to a lot of the workshops, a lot of the wholesalers and motor factors that we know well. I mean, some of the motor factors now sit on our association here, which is great because they can help us and give us advice. We're getting feedback from the workshops on what we can do more of, what's working for them is really important to us. So it should be a good show. It's a busy show, and we're really enjoying it.